Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can install HBO on your Android TV. So to install HBO, you can simply go to the Play Store and check if it is available. So in my region, the HBO app is not available on my Google Play Store. So what I can do is I can simply open the Aptoide application that I have downloaded APK through my browser. So on my Aptoide application, I can search for HBO. And as you can see, the HBO is on the very top, so I can click on it. And I can click install. And now my HBO application is downloading. So once the application is downloaded, it will prompt me to install it. So I can click install on the bottom right corner. So now the application is installed. I can go on my home screen. And if you don't find the application here, you can simply go to the top right corner in the settings and go to apps and go to see all applications, and you can find the application right here. So this is the HBO application. I can simply open it. So now my application is downloaded. So this is how you can install your HBO application on your Android TV. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.